Greetings, it's Carla from MooreTalkJa, and I am here with my day 19 offering of my 30-day creative challenge. We are almost two-thirds of the way there. Some interesting things are happening. It's I wouldn't say it's growing harder, but it's growing more challenging, finding new ways to talk about things or to write about things, which is, I guess, the point of the challenge for me. Usually I do my explanation after, but this time I'm going to do the explanation before the piece, or a little bit of the explanation before the piece. Sometimes, as a means of coping, we build up these walls, right? And they're comfortable and we're safe inside and the world can't get at us. But eventually there comes a time when there is someone or something that makes you want to break that wall down so that you can get to them. And one of the things you might hit upon is that you can't actually break that wall down as easily. You are kind of now at mercy of the wall, and the wall is holding you back from doing things that you want to do. And it's a frustrated feeling being trapped inside. So that is what this one is about. And now I will read it. Okay, so this is Of Skin Knees and Skin Tone Walls. Left to her own devices, she might be alone forever. She might be, because she can't get out of herself. Brown-skinned walls, sharp tongue guards, years of snickers march the perimeter night by night. She looks out over herself and sees him. As little as she knows, there is even less she will learn at this rate. She just doesn't know how to do this. Gritted teeth, clenched fists, emotionless face, or else a laugh that fits nowhere, hangs in its own errant air. She tries, she wants to be nice to him, to just talk to him, to flirt and tell him he's cute and accept graciously when he tells her anything. Between them is all of high school, and every magazine and every comment and every person and all the ones before who were and weren't. Especially the ones who weren't. All the ones who should have swept her off her feet but were slow in coming, last to be picked. Injuredless by choice. Why would he choose her? It's probably a game. But even so, she might want to play. But guardless door, air-made gate, she can't get by herself. Sometimes she cries and contemplates explaining to him what it's like to be her, trapped inside of herself. But she's only known him for so long, and she can't keep spreading her life across sparsely populated conversations, hoping for understanding. It's something she has to deal with, and perhaps she doesn't know how. But she knows that she likes him, and eventually he'll grow confused or disenchanted or frustrated like the others. Some more unfinished business, another unrequited epic. If only she could scale the walls of herself and run away from her own mind. If only she could be normal, nice, quick-witted without the razor tongue, trusting, smart, but savvy, nice to him. She bides her time inside her flesh-toned walls, waiting for the tide to turn and take him with it. She's careful not to get attached. Never call. Speak only when spoken to. And don't expect him to be around tomorrow. He probably won't. But until he departs, or she picks her own locks. She likes him, quietly, in the awkward ways she knows how. Or for a ladder, or a spell to get out of herself. So that was the poem, and as you can tell, it's about a girl who's met a guy and she likes the guy and she wants to, you know, relax and just kind of deal with him, but she can't because she's in the habit of dealing with guys or him or people, world maybe, in a particular way, and she can't change it at this point. So it's like a frustration that comes when your own devices turn against you. And I find, talking to people, I find it's something that people who enter the dating game later in life probably have more trouble with, because when you find, like when people are run up and down and date in high school, you know, not only are they having an awesome high school experience, but they're also getting these tools, right, and how to deal with people. And when you pass a certain age and you don't have those tools, people are always shocked because they're like, well, everybody else did know this from third form, and you're like, yo, I'm in third form. Third form, I play with my component. Okay, you know. So I guess it's just one of the one type of experience that people have, and it's not something that I hear people talk about a lot, so I decided to write this piece about it. Anyways, it's coming up on 5 minutes, which is far too long for me to be talking to you at this time of the morning. So big up yourself. Go and listen to the thing that I did before this, which is a poem that I did for Miss Lou because it was her birthday and I love her. She's awesome. I love her. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your weekend and I will see you tomorrow. Deuces. Bye.